Hi and welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. Today we're going to draw one of the most iconic anime characters of all time, Sailor Moon, with her signature sailor suit, miles of hair, and mesmerizing eyes. Truly one of the most recognizable characters in the history of anime and manga. There are so many different phases and therefore different looks of Sailor Moon that I know I'm going to disappoint some of you, but understand that this is the first time I've ever drawn her, and I'm choosing her Moon Prism Power phase as that was the first, I think. And please correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. Anyway, all you're going to need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? Before we get started, make sure you hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow. And hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Okay, so let's draw Sailor Moon. We're going to draw Sailor Moon step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw her again and again. If you've watched any of my other videos, then you know I use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. In this pose, Sailor Moon is 6 heads tall. In other words, however tall her head is, her entire body is 6 of those. Alright, so let's start with a roadmap for Sailor Moon. So there's our roadmap for Sailor Moon. Now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the third and final step, you want to draw as light as possible. You'll see that I use guidelines to help me to know where to put Sailor Moon's eyes, mouth, and some of the other things. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing, so you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them very easily. So let's rough out Sailor Moon's features. Okay, so there are the roughed out features for Sailor Moon. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for the final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw the final details of Sailor Moon. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work to figure that out. In this step, it's okay to draw darker, but don't press too hard or mindlessly retrace over the lines you've already drawn. Always draw with an eye on tweaking and improving until the very end. So let's draw in the details for Sailor Moon. Alrighty, there she is, the iconic Sailor Moon. So how do you think you did? Understand, if you have never drawn Sailor Moon before, then you cannot expect to have drawn her perfectly. You notice I don't spend time coloring her during this video because I want my lesson to focus solely on the drawing process. Now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing Sailor Moon. With that, you can draw her again and again, and by all means color her when you're done. I promise each time you draw her, it'll be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. For those of you who want to go a little deeper, click on the link below for my free 4-part drawing series, where I spend more time explaining the details and the thinking behind each step in what I call the level up cartooning process. Alright, so now I'd love to see your drawing of Sailor Moon. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram, and don't forget to include the hashtag #levelupcartooning. I hope you had fun with this one. Remember to subscribe, and thank you for joining me. Till next time, keep drawing, my friends.